Hi, I'm going to show you how to sign on to Unique using the QR codes. First of all, I'm going to start with an iPad so that you can use your student iPad or their AAC device, and you go into the web browser. So here's Google. I'm just going to type in Unique Learning. I had gone earlier, so here is Unique Learning, and it should be the first thing that pops up. I'm going to go under Students. Then it brings you to this page. You're going to look at the top right over here, where there's 3 lines that looks like a hamburger. Click it. Then a left side window pops in. Go to Sign In. You're going to pick Student. Then you're going to enable QR code scanning. So it's going to ask you, can I use your camera? And you're going to allow. All right, so here's my camera. Put the screen down. And then I emailed you these QR codes. So I want you to go ahead and on your phone or on your other device, bring it up so that your student can scan it, or you help them scan it. And there you go. It logs you on, and I have some books for you to use. There should be some homework. Right here it says no homework assigned yet, but you should see that within the next week. Hope that helps. We'll see you on Unique. Thank you.